Ever wondered how AI could transform the playgrounds of our children? Welcome to a realm where swings soar with algorithms, where the sandbox is the canvas of Superfast AI, creating the ultimate haven for laughter and exploration. Picture this: AI-powered algorithms generating unique playground designs, customized to the age, abilities, and interests of local children. Imagine smart play equipment that adapts to individual physical challenges, ensuring that all kids, regardless of their abilities, can join in the fun. But it doesn't stop there. What if we told you that AI could potentially predict accident risks in real time? That's right. Superfast AI could automatically adjust equipment or send alerts to caregivers to prevent injuries. This blend of technology and play is not just a whimsical daydream. The fusion of AI and playground design is more than a playground fantasy. It's the cutting edge of urban planning and AI research. But while AI brings incredible possibilities, it also has its challenges. Let's take a moment to delve into the complexities of integrating AI into play. Play, in essence, is a spontaneous world of imagination, social interaction, and emotional exploration. It's not just about physical activity or calculated data points. So can algorithms truly capture the heart of play? Or do they risk homogenizing play experiences and turning playgrounds into sterile, data-driven environments? Imagine a playground where every swing, every slide, every sandbox is precisely calibrated by algorithms. It might seem perfectly safe and efficient, yet could it also stifle the magic of unstructured play and creativity? The answer is complex. Playgrounds that are too controlled could limit the very spontaneity and freedom that fuels a child's imagination and turn laughter-filled playgrounds into sterilized, predictable spaces. Now let's consider the ethical considerations surrounding the use of AI in playground design. Who controls the algorithms that shape how children play? Is it the scientists who develop them? Or the urban planners who implement them? Or perhaps the tech companies who profit from them? It's a question that needs careful thought.